So, the advent of Lion coming out, there's some things I'd like you guys to take a look at. So if you click on the apple in the upper left-hand corner and choose About This Mac, a box will pop up, and I'm moving it around just for illustration. And within that box is another More Info. And if you notice down there, System Profiler is popped up. So if you click on More Info, again, let me scroll this box up here. Your System Profiler. What you need to do is scroll down to your applications. Underneath software, let it do its thing. It's going to build a list. This may take a while. It may not. Depends on how many applications you have. I have quite a few on my Mac, so of course I need to do some house cleaning, but that's neither here nor there. There, it's finished. I'm going to close this out for everybody to see. And we're going to narrow this down and narrow down to last modified. And take a look at this column right here called Kind. K-I-N-D. Some of them are blank. If you notice over here, it's iPhone apps. Build an applet, ball, touch, so on and so forth. We can ignore those. And scroll down a bit more and look for Classic. Well, in my case, Classic is a desk kill, which is an application I wrote in AppleScript. So Classic is, there's Intel, keep going down, keep going down. Like I said, lots, a list, keep going down, until you get to PowerPC. Now, Lion no longer supports PowerPC architecture. And on your current Mac, PowerPC architecture is supported by a piece of software called Rosetta. And it runs in the background, completely transparent to you. It's a nice piece of software, I think, and I think they should include it, but that's my own opinion. But if you have any software that you use often that uses PowerPC code, you can no longer use it. One of the things that I'm curious about is this guy right here. For me, I have an HP printer. These are not actually the drivers themselves, but I'm wondering what effect they will have on my printer and my scanner software. The other thing too is Office 2008 uses PowerPC code, which doesn't surprise me a bit considering it's a Microsoft product and they haven't updated their stuff in forever. Yes, the interface is different, but the back-end logic is the same since OS 9, which is PowerPC in 1980s. So, or 1990s, excuse me. The biggest thing is games. Railroad Tycoon, Solitaire Till Dawn. This is a graphics program for me. And the graphics is just an installer. World of Warcraft editor is PowerPC. Wingnuts. And there's a pile of PowerPC code that are games. Now, for me, the only thing that's really a concern is the HP software. But that's something to consider. So I would go through this list, figure out what you can do. You can go to the manufacturer, whoever wrote the software, find out if they have an update for Lion. And get the update. If they don't, then you're kind of out of luck. So there you go.